I want to learn Telugu.
And I'm a Telugu.
So come learn Telugu with us.
Today, let me teach you the who's, why's, and what's of Telugu. Why is Yenduku.
Yenduku.
Why did you do this?
Yenduku you did this.
Correct. When?
When?
Eppudu.
Eppudu. When will you come? Eppudu you will come.
What? Yemi.
Yemi.
What?
Yeah, I think with actions you teach too. Yemi.
Yemi. Who?
Who? Yavaru.
Yavaru. How?
How?
Yetla.
Yetla.
Correct.
Chuck the word at me. I'll
Rapid quiz, guys. Why?
Yenduku.
Correct. How?
How? Yetla.
Correct. What?
What? Yemi. Yemi.
When?
When? Eppudu.
Correct. Who?
Who? Wait. Yavaru.
Let's go.